Hey, what's going on? This is Sarah Lee Day and you're watching Dubsado Tidbits, the things you need to know about Dubsado delivered in bite-sized pieces. Today we're going to be talking about your account settings. If you watched the last episode, we discussed your dashboard and we saw that the account settings were up here in the top right corner by your logo. Click Login Settings and you'll see the information that you use to create your account, your first name, last name, phone number, and email address that you use to log in with. You can also choose to blind carbon copy yourself on all outgoing emails if you'd like. And this is also where you can change your password. If you need to add an additional brand to your company, you can do that here. And all new brands are going to start off on the 3-client trial until you decide to upgrade. And at that point, an additional brand is $10 per month on top of your regular subscription. Filling out this information is the same as it was for creating your original company. And then this will just create a second brand for you to access. Next we have billing. This is where you'll manage any of your billing information. Right now you can see that we're still on the trial plan. If and when we decide to upgrade to a paid plan, this is where we would go to click subscribe and we would enter our billing information to go ahead and upgrade. Then lastly we have affiliate link. For all users of Dubsado, you have the opportunity to create your own referral code and affiliate link. For now, I've put in Tidbit Innovations as my affiliate code. That's the name of this company that I've created. And when I did that, there was a generate button here that I clicked, and that generated this affiliate link. So if I wanted to share this link with someone who's considering signing up for Dubsado, and they use that to sign up, then they would get 20% off their first month or year subscription, and I would receive $25 credit towards my subscription. Down here in the bottom, these are some shareable photos that Dubsado has provided for sharing that information on social media. And if you need to change your affiliate link, you can do that in here as well. You would just click to change affiliate code and change it here. So let's say Dubsado rocks. Somebody else has already taken that one. 2. Generate link, and that would change the link right here. And if you want to log out, you would click log out. That's it for today's tidbit. For more information about receiving updates, requesting future episodes, or getting help with your own Dubsado account, check out the links in the description below this video or visit sarahleeday.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.